Hey buds! Today we're heading to Banning State Park to hike the Teachers Overlook Trail. Come along and take a hike with us. This short but inspiring and accessible trail leads 150 yards into the forests of Banning State Park.
Look at all the rocks under the root system of these big trees that came down. Grew right in the rocks. Look how big it is. Oh, interpretive signs! My favorite.
We are often drawn to the forest without knowing why. The Kettle River Valley is alive with trees, flowers, shrubs, and animals that nest, feed, and rest in them. The river is wild, not just for the white water of its reputation, but for the abundance of natural things that draw upon it as a source of life. Other trails branch off of this overlook area. These trails are not accessible, as you can see, but let's hike down one of them for a bit. The Kettle River was also essential for the sandstone quarry industry, providing power to operate drills and stone crushing equipment. Learn more about that on the hiking club here at Banning State Park, and check out our video. The link is in the description.
It's pretty advanced. I don't know. Because I'll be poking. I'm poking.
Mushrooms in there.
And your foot gets slipped.
And there's the steps we came down.
Cool. Hard to see them through the trees. Yeah.
But all in all, the river has not changed much. It has been flowing wild and scenic long before the people of Minnesota declared it so in 1973. It has created its own valley, carved through layers and layers of blush-colored stone formed over 2 million years ago, and its white water continues to undercut sandstone ledges and carve potholes under its turbulent grasp.
Oh, this is even better?
Yeah.
almost back to the camper, right? Only about a half mile or so. We hope you enjoyed this hike. Find more adventures, campsite photos, recipes, and more by subscribing to this YouTube channel, Just Beyond Parks. Thank you so much for watching. A friendly reminder to get yourself outdoors today and take a hike, no matter how short or long it may be. And we'll see you later. Always gotta come back for the camera.